Hello everybody and welcome back to the Furgiven Animal Sanctuary page. It is Thursday, January 27th, I believe, and we just started finishing up with some of our regular stuff around here. Just got the dogs back from a walk. I'll let you say hi to Patches. Patch Man, he's over there chilling in his bed. But we have a little bit of a different project today. You guys always tend to say that you like seeing us do the different things, so we thought we'd bring you around. So right now I am going to find this guy right here.
Wow.
We're gonna see what we're working on for today. So I'll give you guys a little context. We are about to start switching out latches. In our kennel area, we have these old latches right here that are real thin aluminum, and we are swapping them out for some thicker latches like this here, because the dogs are bending them and escaping, which is not good. So we're gonna fix that.
So these old latches that are on pretty much all the kennels in here have these like kind of weird square bolts on them. So we just grab a wrench, and it's very, very simple. I mean, it's almost just like a pressure plate. That's the main thing that's keeping it on. So we just get it loose, and then the process really starts after that. It's gonna be really fun getting a good angle on this thing.
Yeah, the thing that makes it the most difficult is the spacing. There's not a lot of space in between, so
I'll try this one first.
there you go.
Yeah, and you have to work with the angle that you're given, so.
Nice.
That.
There you go. Perfect.
Boom.
All right, out with the old.
All right.
So there's the old latch.
So
you can
kind of
see
how
it's
thin.
been bent
Oh
too.
yeah. Super wide, not supposed to be that wide.
Been bent a couple times, and then the new latch.
Yeah.
So it's a lot
Just look
thicker,
at the thickness
thicker of a
alone.
metal. And then there's also not a split in the center here. Like if you looked at that other latch, you see that again? So you can see this one here. See, it's got that split in the center. That's where they tend to bend. So this one should not do that. All right, so now putting on the new one. Some little plates are gonna go around the pole. Bolt's gonna go through. Got the latch bolt on. And then, so the handle is gonna go in between the two. And then the bolt will go through the three pieces, like so. There you go.
Just make sure. So see, too high.
So yeah, we got to make sure there's these other spots on the fence, so we want to make sure that that is not going to get stopped by this. So we got to, before it gets tightened, we're going to double check that the latch will open and close. Perfect. We can work on tightening it up. Did you make sure those, oh, you got, look at you, look at you. So this time, oh sorry, I'm like smashing your finger. Putting on is a lot easier than taking off.
Yes. Need to rotate it any?
This is
all
tight
that.
for sure. That may actually be though. You see your wire right here?
Yeah.
It's not in between. So it's sitting on one of these wires. So it's not getting flushed to the flat. JK, we moved it again. Moved it again. So the other thing we weren't looking for is the gap between here, making sure that the gap is good, that this overlaps this other pole enough, and that it's not on the chain link over here. So, did you already get the front? Yeah. Now to finish the rest of them. So of course we ran into a problem. So the insides of these screws have a square inside so that they won't spin. You can see that. This one is obviously stripped because it's just spinning. So
Yeah.
we're gonna attempt something. Because if I can get just a little bit so I can grip, you know? You spin. I'm gonna push on this as hard as I can. See if maybe we can get one corner of it to catch. Okay, hold on, I may have it for it now. Oh, let me regrip. It did get on it, it just slipped. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Okay, well, then I can re-grip it again. Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
We did it! If you guys aren't all celebrating for us right now, you're mean. Hey,
It is stripped.
it's stripped, so let's see.
Stripped all the hell.
Yeah, so the inside of that should be a square. It is not. That is now garbage. Now it's just to put all the latches back on. Alright guys, that's it. Everybody's got their new latches. They're nice and secure again. And we have a little bit more peace of mind.